Want a cordless random orbital sander with a good control and enough power for serious work? I rank these 5 models from the strongest overall choice to the most basic option. The DeWalt takes first place because it gives you the best overall balance of power, control and flexibility. It does not force you to choose between fast sanding and a cleaner finish. Its brushless motor helps with efficiency, while the 8000 to 12,000 OPM range gives you useful control for different jobs. The low-profile body also keeps your hand close to the surface, which can make the tool easier to guide. Compared with the Craftsman, you get proper speed adjustment, and compared with the Makita, you are not limited to 3 fixed settings. But there are a couple of things to know. The battery and charger are not included, and if you want to connect it to a non-DeWalt vacuum hose, you may need an extra adapter. That is minor but worth knowing if your workshop uses another dust system. If you want one cordless sander that can handle both general sanding and more controlled finishing, the DeWalt is the safest all-around choice here. And if comfort and lower vibration matter even more to you, the next model gets very interesting. Links to other products from this review at the best price can be found in the description below the video. In second place is the Bosch, and this one is really about control and comfort. At 2.4 pounds without the battery, it is very light, which matters during longer sanding jobs. The brushless motor, low profile shape and vibration dampening element make it a strong choice for finish work. Its 6,000 to 10,000 OPM range is also broad enough to slow things down when you want more control. Compared with the Milwaukee or DeWalt, it feels less focused on a maximum sanding speed and more focused on keeping the tool calm and manageable. The trade-off is that its 10,000 OPM maximum is lower than several competitors, and the 3 out of 32 in orbit is not the most aggressive setup here. So if your main goal is removing material quickly, the Makita or DeWalt may suit you better. If you care about a light tool, smooth handling and controlled finishing, the Bosch makes a lot of sense. But if you want more top-end speed and a very flexible dust setup, the Milwaukee comes next. If this comparison is helping, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to the Milwaukee. This is a strong performance-focused option, especially if you already use M18 batteries and want a sander that can cover both faster work and more controlled passes. The 7,000 to 12,000 OPM range matches the DeWalt at the top end and gives you more adjustment than the Makita or Craftsman. You can use the filtered canister or connect a vacuum with the included universal hose adapter. That makes it practical in different workspaces. The main limitation is the manufacturer data used here does not identify this model as brushless. It also uses a 3 out of 32 in orbit, so it will not remove any material as aggressively as the Makita with its larger 1/8 in orbit. If you are already invested in M18 tools and want solid speed control plus flexible dust collection, this is an easy model to consider. If you care more about a larger sanding orbit and fast stock removal, the Makita is the next one to watch. The Makita takes 4th place, but it has one feature that stands out immediately, the 1/8 in orbit. In practical terms, that gives it a more aggressive sanding action than the 3 out of 32 in orbit used by the Bosch and Milwaukee. The pad brake and pad control system help keep that stronger sanding action manageable, and the through the pad dust collection is a useful everyday feature. Its 3 speed settings also cover a good range, from slower finishing work to faster material removal. The downside is control flexibility. You only get 3 fixed speeds instead of a continuously variable dial, and the 11,000 OPM maximum is lower than the DeWalt, Milwaukee and Craftsman. It's not a deal breaker, but you notice the difference if you like to fine-tune speed for different surfaces. If you want a cordless sander with a larger orbit and straightforward controls, the Makita is a practical choice. But if you mostly want something simple and basic, the Craftsman is the final model in the ranking. The Craftsman finishes in 5th place. It is the simplest sander here that can actually be a positive if you do not need a lot of adjustments. It runs at a fixed 12,000 OPM, so there's plenty of sanding speed, and the low-profile body is designed to keep control simple. The direct 1¼ in vacuum connection is also convenient, and the dust seal switch is a nice durability feature. But this is where the difference becomes clear. It uses a brush motor and has no variable speed control, so it cannot adapt to different surfaces as easily as the other 4 models. On paper, 12,000 OPM sounds strong, but speed alone does not give you the same level of control. If you want a straightforward cordless sander for basic jobs and you already own V20 batteries, the Craftsman may be enough. If you want more versatility though, one of the higher rank models is the better place to start. Check the top products using the links in the description below the video, especially if you want to compare current deals. And if this review helped you choose, like the video and subscribe to the channel.